How to airdrop from Samsung to an iPhone here in 2026. Now, the Galaxy has now a feature where you can do an airdrop via quick share. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and go into your control area, the quick panels, and find yourself where it says quick share. Now, when you get in there, you're going to want to make sure that you put this on everyone right here. You can also do contacts if it is a contact that you want to share, but go ahead and make sure that share with Apple devices is also enabled. Now, on the iPhone, what I tend to do is also go ahead and go over here and go punch in like that. Then we'll go over here to AirDrop and put it on everyone for 10 minutes. Now we're going to go back to the Galaxy phone, grab that photo. All right, so now we're in the photo and I want to share this to the iPhone over here. It should be ready to go. And so I want to share this photo. So you're going to go ahead and click right down. Now just click where it says quick share right down here on the left. And once you get in there, you should see the iPhone right here that'll pop up. Mine is named silver. So I'm just going to click silver right there. You'll see AirDrop Galaxy S26 Ultra would like to share a photo. Hit accept, and then it'll take a second and it will appear there. So that's as simple as it is right there. Now you might run into issues if you don't have everyone enabled or you don't have it turned on in the quick share settings, but it's that simple. That's how easy it is now to share a photo with the Samsung. There is one thing though, you're gonna have to use One UI 8.5 betas are higher, and you're going to want to be on the latest versions for the best results. So go ahead and make sure you do that. But if this helped you, go ahead and click the like button for me and subscribe for more how-to content like this on the Morning Ackerman channel. I'll catch you on the next episode. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to be well, and peace.